Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into your Google account and confirming permissions so Drive can sync. Once done, enable two-step verification to protect files. Install the Drive desktop app if you want automatic sync or open Drive. Google, Com for web access, choose whichever fits your workflow. Next, create a clear folder structure, work, personal, shared, and assign ownership and default permissions to avoid later confusion. This first setup saves time. Make sure to test upload and download with a small file to verify everything is working. Now focus on organizing and sharing efficiently. Upload files or drag and drop into folders. If you installed the desktop app, enable backup and sync for continuous updates. Once files are in Drive, organize with color labels, descriptive names, and shortcuts rather than duplicates, because that preserves space and clarity. Use Drive's search operators to find items fast. When sharing, choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor and set link access, restricted or any with link, and add expiration dates for sensitive items. These choices control collaboration and finish by leveraging Drive's advanced tools and confirming backup integrity. Use docs, sheets, slides, and forms inside Drive to edit without extra uploads. Connect third-party apps for PDFs or design files. Check your storage quota, convert compatible uploads to save space, and empty the trash regularly. Buy additional storage only if necessary. If something goes wrong, look for sync errors in the app, verify file permissions, and restore earlier versions via version history. If sharing breaks, revoke and reissue access to reset link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.